Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to go over a few rules that I want to set for myself for the upcoming 2 weeks. These 2 weeks are going to be my exam period, and I want to hold myself accountable and doing everything possible to really optimize my life for this period of time. And it's really going to be a test for myself if I can hold on to these rules for the 2 weeks. And if I can, later on, I will add some more rules and I will prolong it to a whole month. But this is going to be kind of like a test period for this examination of rules. And I think the next 2 weeks are going to be really stressful because of the exams I mentioned. So if I can hold on to these rules while these challenging times, then I can hold on to other rules while times are less challenging and way easier. So this is going to be basically a preparation for the summer. Okay, so the first 4 rules are all going to be about consuming. Number 1, I can't eat any junk food or any sugary sort of food or anything like that. Anything that just is extra unnecessary calories that I don't need because, well, it's unnecessary. I don't need it, it's just for pleasuring myself. It's completely irrelevant for me to consume that if I really want to get in shape with my body and I want to look good in the summer. Okay, so number 2 is not consuming any alcohol because I think alcohol is basically the same thing as junk food. But junk food has an advantage. It's at least some type of calories like fat or carbs, but alcohol is just empty calories and you're basically pumping calories into yourself without getting anything in return. Number 3 is going to be getting at least 180 grams of protein per day. This is going to be essential for building some muscle so I can look good in the summer. The optimal amount for my body weight and my height. Number 4 is going to be consuming enough water. That means at least 3 liters of water per day. I have been really lacking in the water department lately, only consuming about a liter or something like that in the night because I just forget over the day. But I'm going to be setting up some reminders on my phone to remind me every 2 hours I should take a glass of water and drink it. So I get those 3 liters by the end of the day. Numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8 are all going to be exercise routines that I have to do every second day to not get too fatigued and keep up with the progress. So every second day, I have to do a leg stretching session. This is to just keep my legs in shape and get everything ready for my daily runs. Then I have to do 100 push-ups, 30 pull-ups, and 30 dips. And all of these exercises should be there to strengthen my upper body to make it way easier to do things on the bar. Number 9 is going to be getting at least 7 hours of sleep, which I haven't been the best at over the last 2 years. I've been getting an average of about 6 hours, which really isn't good. It's been a combination of work and school, which didn't make this easy, because I really think those 7 hours really enhance my cognitive abilities when it comes to learning and actually remembering stuff. I used to go to bed at like 11 p.m., which wasn't really the best when I was waking up at 4 a.m. to make the train at 5 a.m. But now I'm going to force myself to go to bed at 9 p.m. to really get enough sleep to make that 2-hour exam really a efficient period of time that I can really utilize to put my knowledge to use. Number 10 is going to help me to stay way calmer and actually focus on the stuff in front of me. And that is doing 10 minutes of breath work every day. You can call it meditation or anything else you want, but I call it just breath work because I just breathe in, breathe out for 10 minutes straight with my eyes closed. And when I do this, I really feel the concentration on things gets way easier. Doing some homework or assignments really gets way easier and I can just concentrate for hours after doing this simple exercise for just 10 minutes. Then number 11, it's going to be the last one, and it's reading at least 10 pages of a book per day because it's going to get my thoughts away from all of the schoolwork and the life work that I have, and I'm gonna concentrate on some business stuff or anything else I really want to read. And it's going to relax my brain when it comes to bedtime. So I'm gonna choose to read the books mainly like half an hour or even an hour before I go to bed, so I can really wind down, get the screen time down, so it will make it way easier for me to just fall asleep when I go into bed. Okay, so this is gonna be it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you have any more questions or thoughts, leave them down in the comments below. If you're interested how it went, smash that sub button right there, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!